Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Just a reminder that this video reflects my personal experience using this tool. Today we're exploring Strava, a platform found at www.strava.com. Strava has become a popular hub for athletes, particularly runners and cyclists, to track their workouts, analyze their performance, and connect with a vibrant community of like-minded individuals. Whether you're a seasoned marathoner or just starting out on your fitness journey, Strava provides a suite of tools designed to enhance your training experience. The platform's core functionality revolves around recording your activities. Using your phone's GPS or a compatible wearable device, Strava accurately captures your route, distance, pace, speed, elevation gain, and even heart rate data. This detailed information allows you to gain valuable insights into your performance, identify areas for improvement, and track your progress over time. Beyond simply tracking your workouts, Strava provides tools to delve deeper into your data. You can analyze your performance metrics, compare your efforts on specific segments of your route, and set personal goals to stay motivated. The platform also offers features like heat maps, which visualize popular routes in your area, and training plans, which provide structured workouts to help you achieve your fitness objectives. A key aspect of Strava is its social component. You can connect with friends, fellow athletes, and even professional athletes, sharing your activities, cheering each other on, and fostering a sense of community. The friendly competition and encouragement can be a powerful motivator, pushing you to achieve new heights in your training. Strava also hosts virtual challenges and competitions, adding another layer of engagement and motivation to the platform. So, head over to www.strava.com and explore what it has to offer. You might just discover your new favorite fitness companion.